are going to love the 2017 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.